Hello friends, welcome all of you to the YouTube channel of CS Sheikh. In this video, we will come across previous year questions of Maharashtra set paper 1. Previous year question, that is PYQ. Also, we will come across which books are to be referred for paper 1. Many people have confusion which book is good, which book has all the content provided in it. So all the answers will be provided in the video. So watch until the end and please like and share this video with your friends. So let's begin with the first question. Reflective teaching is dash dash. So, teaching can be in various form, but out of this, which one is reflective? So, the options are cyclic process of thinking about learning, linear process of thinking about teaching, cyclic process of thinking about teaching, linear process of thinking about learning. So, students, before seeing the answer, you must try to attempt by your own and check whether you can be correct or not. This can be useful to determine whether your study is up to the mark or you need to learn more about it. Okay, so the answer is C option, cyclic process of thinking about teaching. Okay, it is very important to think about teaching. Okay, and it is cyclic process. Second question is, a traditional teaching support system includes dash dash. Traditional means what, students? From olden days, which teaching support is included? Was it whiteboard? Was it smart board or digital board or three-dimensional models? So you all know whiteboard is recently upgraded one. Okay, marker, by using marker, whiteboard are used. Smart board are the one which has computer system attached to it. Also digital board is the same way. So which remains? It is three-dimensional models, and the correct answer is D option, three-dimensional models. Okay. Third question is, a teacher should identify dash dash and teach accordingly. So a teacher should identify what in the students. Here are the options given. Should he consider the economic condition of student? Means first option, see, clear the first option. What is it saying? That economic condition means if the student is rich or if the student is poor, should that teacher see? Obviously not. A teacher, for a teacher, all the students are equal. So that option is neglected. Second option is individual differences among students. Okay. Third option is economic condition of parents. Should we see the conditions of parent financially, who is rich or who is poor? No, that doesn't matter. A teacher gives solely the complete knowledge equally to all students. Okay, so that option is gone. Next is individual differences among parents. So it is nothing to be with the parents. Here, whole and soul, we have to see about students. So two options, C and D, goes away. So remaining are A and B. And out of that, the B one is correct. Individual differences among student. Okay. One can be clever, one can be little bit lower in studies. So how to upgrade that lower person, and so that he can also get the good marks? The teacher should change the method little bit for him. He should give more practice problem. Okay, so that the student can get more knowledge and he can also compete with the other students. Okay. Next, fourth question is, a teacher goes through students' notebook and gives remarks. This is called as, you might have seen, teacher collects your book and also gives you remark whether it will be good, very good, or whether it will be containing marks. So what is this all called as? Is it notebook checking? No, it is daily remark. We'll see what is answer. Okay, what is then? Next option is evaluation. Next is assessment. So the correct answer is your evaluation. Okay, the teacher is doing your evaluation. Next question is, Socrates has given dash dash method of discovering the truth. This is the repeat question in the past year. Also this question has come Okay, so you have to go through all the past questions while studying for the set examination. So the options are experimental, observation, criticism, dialogue. So you have to remember this as Socrates dialogue. Socrates dialogue. This way you can remember. And this is theoretical part. Okay, so there is no logical way. You have to remember different scientist name, different researchers name, and in this way what they have given you have to remember. Now here comes the most important part of the video. Which books are to be followed for paper 1? There are various books, okay? Mostly people follow Brij Mohan Daima. Okay, that is very good book. You can also follow those who don't know. You can write down the name Brij Mohan Daima. Now people don't know this book is available in English as well as Marathi. So you can search on the Google, you can take it online. Okay, it is available in English. Those who can read English, for not, they can also get the Marathi books. Other than that, the most important book is C.R. Kothari. You can search C.R. Kothari research methodology. It is very important book. This book will be useful for you in the PhD itself. For PhD entrance also you can use this book. Okay, while doing PhD you come across research, but what are the steps, what ways you have to follow? Is that you immediately get topic, that topic is given by your guide? No, there are ways, there are steps, what is to be done, what is the need. Okay, next comes Upkar's publication, teaching and research aptitude. Okay, one of the most important book is Upkar's publication. Also there are other books like Pearson. You can search Pearson teaching aptitude. Okay, other book is KVS Madan. KVS Madan teaching aptitude. So there are lot many books today. I have got so many options. You will like to follow whichever you can. Okay, at least 2 to 3 books you must keep with yourself, so that you can refer to 3 different references. Okay, what happens in only one book, some different knowledge is there, from another book you will get more knowledge. So likewise you have to follow at least 2 to 3 books and practice as many problems as you can. For your, you also have comprehension, you have aptitude part in that, so you can go through these books. So let's continue with the next question, that is sixth question. Experimental researches are aim to dash. What does experimental researches aim? So that is your study the application of theory. It is very important to study the application of theory in researches. Why researches are done experimentally? To study what is application of theory. Okay, next is limitation laid down by the researcher are called as dash dash. Researcher has done some limitation, but what is that called as? So the answer is B, delimitation. It is called as delimitation. Next is, for any frequency distribution 50th percentile and dash are same. So what will be same for frequency distribution and 50th percentile? It is your median. Answer will be median. Now very important point again, you have to study analytical concepts. Mean, median, frequency distribution, standard deviation, what is t-test, what is f-test. So you need to study all this concept for the set examination. Maybe for part 2 paper in chemistry also these terms are asked, and also in the paper 1 these terms are asked in the mathematical form. Okay, next is, a researcher uses data of an earlier research paper and publishes a new research paper. This is, now see student, two researches are there, two persons are there who are doing research, but one is using a new research paper by using the data of the second person. What will happen? Is it ethical? Is it unethical? It is permissible? It is proper? Now here comes the tricky part. If you observe all the options, that is A, C and D, they are positive way. See, A is having meaning of positive, ethical means okay, ethical means allowed, C means permissible means allowed, D means proper means allowed. Only one is different, so you can also answer in this way, that the one option which is different will be the answer, and that is your unethical. Okay, for lifetime you have to remember, whenever you are doing research, it should never be copied by other, otherwise it will be unethical. Okay, next is last question will be, while defining communication, Miller focuses on dash dash. Now Miller is the name of one of the researcher, one of the person who has focused on what it is asking about that. So it is giving the behavioral change of receiver. A is your answer. Okay students, follow the video for upcoming updates, subscribe it, like it, and surely share the video if you have liked it. For upcoming videos, please do subscribe. Thank you so much.